5-Leiden is a mutation of one of the clotting factors in the blood called factor V. The mutation can increase your chance of developing abnormal blood clots, usually in your veins. However, some people with it develop clots that have long-term health problems and become life-threatening. Both men and women can have factor V-Leiden, but women may have an increased tendency to develop blood clots during pregnancy or when taking the hormone estrogen. People with this disease have a genetic mutation that causes the factor V protein to respond more slowly to being deactivated by the anti-clotting factor. If you have this disease, you either inherit one copy of the defective gene, which slightly increases your risk of developing blood clots, or more rarely, you inherit 2 copies, one from each parent. A family history of factor V-Leiden increases your risk of inheriting the disorder. The disorder is most common in people who are white and of European descent. If you have this disease and have developed blood clots, medications can lessen your risk of developing additional blood clots and help you avoid potentially serious complications. If you have signs and symptoms of this disease, they commonly affect your legs, including your ankles and feet, and may include pain, significant swelling, redness, and warmth.